Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I know it's been a while, but we are here and we are grateful. Now, after making some blending oatmeal porridge for the kids, I jumped to making some nice stew chicken liver with dumpling, green bananas, and of course some yam.
All that I crave when you're away.
Now let's talk about my son's birthday cake. Listen, I love it. This cake was designed by me, and trust me, I just love the whole construction birthday theme. I remember asking my son if he would like to have the same theme for his birthday next year, and he said yes. I do know that he loves Spider-Man, Lightning McQueen and stuff like that, but I think this is a keeper for now. But definitely I really enjoyed decorating the cake. It was so much fun, and this cake was so good. It was cookie and cream to be, yes. And I also used Oreo and then another biscuit to make, like, you know, the sand and of course the dirt. It was so good, so good. I designed the topping and of course purchased the, you know, the vehicles online and so on. You coming in here? You coming in here, mama? What's that on your clothes? Awesome! Yay! Cool! Yay! To finish! Babe, look at that. Cool, you pick me right now. Get you some of them! So I'll be making some cupcake today, and this is what I'll be using. I have my eggs, and I also have my measuring tools, and of course my cooking oil. So I need to pour that out. I kind of want to have my eggs go back to room temperature, but I don't have enough time and baby girl is sleeping. So let's get right into the baking of our cupcakes. So I already poured my cake mix, so I'm going to be adding the eggs. All right, so I already add my egg, oil and water and mix. Baby girl is sleeping, so no mixer for today. So I'm just gonna get these cupcake baked and on to the next. So these are what I bought to make my son's cupcake for his birthday, but I didn't get to use them, so I'm gonna use them now. I'm not sure how many, but it's a lot. Normally I would have the white one. Don't mind the water running in the background, but normally I'll have white, but because of the theme construction thing that I was going with, I took the yellow. So I'm gonna use these today for the cupcake. So I'm taking one of my piping bags to add my cake batter so it can be poured evenly and, you know, done smooth and so forth. The next time when you see this, it would be loaded.
Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like oh yeah. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are
It's beautiful.
wow, it's beautiful.
So I washed my hair and yeah, showered and so forth, cleaned the bathroom and all of that stuff. I have literally nothing to do right now, so I'm gonna eat up my soup and then I'll see you back in a second.
To make it right, even though I might have been wrong in the ways that I didn't keep it by.
While we were out shopping, Maria took up this biscuit for herself, so let's see if she likes it. What do you want, Mommy? Trying to see, well, how they took up 3 of them, so I'm trying to see if Amir is gonna eat them because it has been a while and most of the time it's a waste. So I'm trying 3, only 3, and I took the barbecue and then the extreme natural. So let's see. I got his sausage already and so on. So let's see what else we can get for this baby.
Please, no, please. Please, Mama, you bring mother. Look, you make it dumplings in a chocolate. I made them know what. Them they got no like a bigger cake.
Like a cake?
Them are
They're Johnny cakes.
eh?
Yes, they're Johnny cakes, fried dumpling.
Or them done sweet like them sweet them done.
You gonna take one?
Yeah.
I'll take one. I'm sorry, you're a boy. I'm not saying you're a girl, and I'm saying you look like one.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
Waiting on that sunshine.